Let's talk about the AI investment landscape out here. The concentration of value in the AI model building companies has reached extraordinary levels. OpenAI, should it approach the expectations that Silicon Valley has built around it, could become an era-defining company. Anthropic, while operating somewhat in OpenAI's shadow, has reached a valuation of 18 billion in the most recent funding round, exceeding Alibaba's market capitalization at its record-setting 214 IPO. Sequoia's transition to this space is somewhat ironic. The firm did back Sam Altman's first startup years before OpenAI existed, yet it was not an early investor in OpenAI itself, the stage when venture capital returns are typically the most significant. Now, while Sequoia has taken positions in the later funding rounds, its primary AI exposure comes to application layer companies like the legal service company Harvey and business AI platform Sierra, rather than the foundational model builders. This positioning matters because of how venture capital returns actually work. The industry's profits have always been heavily concentrated amongst a small number of successful firms. Historical data from Cambridge Associates illustrates this clearly. The 25-year view of VC returns, which once captured the extraordinary profits of the late 1990s dot-com boom, when the average VC funds returned over 20% annually, now reflects a different reality. As those boom era funds have aged out of the data set, the current 25-year annualized returns stand at just 8%. For most other measured periods, venture capital returns fall below what investors could achieve simply by investing in companies trading on Nasdaq. And this brings us to the importance of timing and access. For the limited partners who supply venture capitalist funding, two factors matter above all: gaining access to the right funds and ensuring that capital deployment at optimal moments in technological cycles happens. The AI boom has amplified the importance of both the considerations to an unprecedented degree. The question facing Sequoia is whether the current AI positioning will prove sufficient in an era when extreme wealth concentration appears to be favoring foundational model builders. Now, it's entirely possible that the stratospheric valuations of these companies represents a bubble, and that venture capital returns from AI will ultimately be distributed more broadly across the ecosystem. Application-led companies may well generate substantial returns. The business model economics of the foundational model building, with its enormous capital requirements and uncertain paths to profitability, could prove less attractive than current valuations suggest.